to create some classes like model class and observers, and we need another class which will be observer, and this class will be abstract. And this will be model, and then method update. So here in the model we're going to create an array list of observers, and we're going to have an field that will hold some status. That field will be updated when we want to update all the other observers about that. So when the observer get the update, they will take this value of this status field. So we need methods like add observer, and we add new observer in the observer array list. Then we need a method to notify all the observers, and we're going to use an for each loop that will loop through all the observers. And we need an setter for this status. And after we set a new value, we will call notify. Wait. Like that. So notify all observers, because it can be overridden. I forgot that there is a override method calling notify all. So first we're going to create a test class that we will use to test our observer. So that will be example 1, and that class will extends observer, and that class will have method update. Override the method, and that update will be called when we change the status in the model. this class will have a constructor, and it will have a model, and it will add, so to add this observer to the array list of observers, we're going to use a method we've been implemented before, and we'll add this. And when we update the status, it will print here. Oh, I forgot to create a get method. Just got a set method. And it will say and we're going to create a main class to run the program. And here we're going to create a model. And here we're going to create example, instance of example class. As our argument we'll send this model. And then we're going to call a model set status 5. So the program will notify all the observers. So it says status is 5 because here in this example class we are calling this update when we change the state of this field in the model here, status field. And when we create another class, for example example and it extends the observer, so we create override and method update, and this also have model and constructor example 2 model and of course we add this class to the observer list. Add observer and this. So here we're going to say when we call the when we change the state of all of the status field, it will, an instance, yes, we got it here. This class has also the status when we change the volume. So if we change again, it will again print from the first example, from the second, because they are also observers, and again when we change the status field, it will print again.